everyone, welcome back. Today, gonna be working on the 3039. Wanted to get some mounting brackets now that I got a different trailer to secure it to the trailer when I move it. So, went online, ordered off of, I can't think of the name of it. JuFabworks. So I ordered it from those guys. They got these mounting brackets that go just behind the brush guard where it connects to the frame. You take out some pieces, put these in, make it a lot easier for something to tie down on. So come along, I'm going to show you. I did cheat and I already did one side just so I could seem like I knew what I was doing. So I'll show you how to do the other side, and then I'll probably put a link in there. I don't think I'm going to get anything from it, but if you're interested, they got a lot of different accessories, so they're worth checking out. Pretty good pricing, and I got my stuff in 2 days, so can't beat that. But let me show you what you got to do over here. All right, so as you can see, it comes with this sticker, made in the USA, which is cool. They do give you hardware. Here's one of the brackets. Like I said, the other one's already installed, but comes all right together. So let me show you what parts you have to take off next. All right, so down here on the front of your machine, you'll see there's 3 of these shinier bolts. Those actually hold on the mount for your brush guard. So you actually take these off, and then behind there, you can see it just a little bit. There's a black. There's a nylon piece there. You take those out, the new piece slides right in behind there. Then you rebolt it with the hardware that they gave you. You take it down to 90 foot-pounds is what it says. But pretty simple. I did the other side pretty quick, which means I'm probably jinxing myself for this side. But we'll give it a go. For reference, I have a 3/4 inch wrench for the nut and a 19mm socket for the bolt. So that'll save you a step when you're trying to figure out what hardware you might need. Alright, so you can see, like I said, I got the bolts out. This is one of those nylon washers that they have back there, but the piece is going to replace that. So those are kind of what they look like, so don't be alarmed when they fall out. And you may need to wiggle it just to coax them out. Alright, like I said, I probably jinxed myself. But, oh, there we go. Got the last one out. Now for the new hardware. Alright, this is another new piece. Gonna fit right there. And then, like I said, it'll give you that new tie down point right here, which is gonna be really handy. So this will just slide up behind there. But first, I want to get some of this hardware taken apart. So that'll make it easier when I just slide it through the hole. got one of them I think's lined up. Yep. So we can get that in there. Now, just got to get the rest of it lined up. We should be good. Okay, 2 of them in, which means there's 3, and there's 4. Alright, now I'll go around, snug some of them up, kind of like you would a car tire, and then we'll tighten them all up. Alright, so those are on. Alright, so you can see it all finished. There's the new hardware with the bracket that you put your strap or chain onto, and that'll tie down your tractor when it's on a trailer. Alright, well, that didn't take very long at all. So, got that done. That took maybe a half hour, not very long. Like I said, I cheated. I did one side first, then showed you guys the other, but shout out to JuFabworks. Like I said, put a link down below. You can go check them out, see what they got. These are going to be, I think, pretty nice. They were like 80 bucks maybe for the pair. I can't remember, but I think they're good. Easy, super easy. The directions were, even without pictures, they were pretty clear on what to do. So that's all I got for today. If you want a free channel sticker, somewhere on my shirt, there we go. Shoot me a message on Instagram. I'll throw it in the mail for you. But otherwise, as always, keep digging, and see you guys in the next one.